In today's video, we're pitting two top-tier all-season tires against each other, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 versus the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6. Both tires are designed to excel in a variety of weather conditions, but which one will reign supreme? Stay tuned as we delve into a comprehensive comparison based on recent industry tests. Let's dive into their performance in wet conditions first. When it comes to wet braking, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 shows a slight edge, stopping at 45 meters compared to 47 meters for the Michelin CrossClimate 2. This could make a crucial difference in preventing accidents on wet roads. However, in wet handling, the Bridgestone also takes the lead with an average lap speed of 74.7 km per hour, outpacing the Michelin 72.7 km per hour. Both tires offer similar performance in straight aquaplaning tests, with nearly identical slipping speeds, ensuring reliable control in hazardous conditions. Switching to snowy conditions, the differences are minimal but notable. For snow braking, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 barely outperforms, stopping a fraction of a meter shorter than the Bridgestone. Snow traction and handling are similarly close, with both tires providing dependable performance, but Michelin leads slightly in maximum lateral acceleration during snow slalom tests. In terms of longevity and wear, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 shines, offering a higher mileage potential than the Bridgestone, which means longer intervals between tire changes and greater value over time. For dry braking, Michelin takes the lead within 0.8 meters shorter braking distance. While in dry handling, both tires were neck and neck. Moving to noise and comfort, both tires perform exceptionally in reducing road noise, ensuring a quieter and more comfortable ride. Though specifics can vary slightly depending on the vehicle, overall, both the Michelin CrossClimate 2 and the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 maintain low noise levels, enhancing driver and passenger comfort on various road surfaces. Addressing rolling resistance and fuel efficiency, both tires are engineered to minimize energy loss, but the Michelin CrossClimate 2 shows a marginally lower rolling resistance, potentially contributing to slightly better fuel economy over long distances. To conclude, while the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 excels in wet conditions and handling, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 takes the lead in snow performance, where longevity and dry performances, making it a formidable opponent in the all-season tire market. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.